Welcome to A Creations for Kids. Domestic animals. What are domestic animals? Those animals that depend on humans for its shelter, food, water and general care are called domestic animals. Let us see the examples of domestic animals. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Pig. P-I-G. Pig. Cow. C-O-W. Cow. Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. Donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Rooster. R-O-O-S-T-E-R. Rooster. Camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe A Creations for Kids.